Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give a update on the gold, silver, and gold minor markets. They're currently in a consolidation phase and they're looking to continue to go sideways for a little bit longer, but ultimately I think they do break out to the upside. So let's take a look at the gold hourly chart. And you can see we've been in this consolidation phase right here since around the middle of October. We have formed a divergence on the hourly chart. That's a signal that I pay close attention to. Usually you will get a nice bounce in the precious metal markets if you do see that divergence. And so we got the lower low here in the price action, but a higher high here in the momentum. And then you can see we bounced up a little bit higher, but stayed kind of in that consolidation area. So I don't know if this is the bottom, but I do think gold does continue to go sideways here. We've had this nice run up, this nice gain, and then the sideways movement, pretty typical in an uptrend in the gold market. So I think eventually we do break out to the upside in gold after a little bit more of this sideways action. And we'll take a look at the gold miner ETF, that's GDX. And so again, the consolidation here since the middle of October, and then the divergence between the price and the momentum. So lower low, higher high. And you see this kind of sideways action here in the gold miners. And again, it does look like some more sideways action before we break higher. So corroborating sort of the gold market on the hourly chart. And this is the silver chart, the hourly chart. And silver again formed this divergence and then made a run higher. It's actually been quite a bit stronger than gold and the miners. And I think that's a good sign to see it outperform gold, at least in the short run. It's showing that traders are getting a little bit more bullish on the sector, buying silver and pushing it up to a little bit of a higher high. And, they're buying that riskier asset in the sector, showing that the sector is getting a little bit more into the riskier assets, I guess. And so I do think that silver is going to outperform gold after we complete this sideways action and break to the upside. So all the markets are kind of corroborating each other. Silver is the strongest one, but we are in a consolidation after a big run higher. And I think that will continue for a little while in the precious metal markets before we break up to the upside. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.